Let's look at how WordPress sites can be included inside of high-level snapshots. Snapshots are often used to replicate funnels, workflows, pipelines, and other assets across sub-accounts, but they can also include complete WordPress sites, allowing you to deploy the same pages, themes, plugins, and settings into new accounts automatically. In this quick video, I'm going to show you how to include WordPress sites when creating or updating a snapshot. Here's how it's done. Once you're inside of your high-level agency view, you're going to make your way over to Account Snapshots on the left-hand side, and then click on Create New Snapshot. You're going to give your snapshot a name, and then you're going to select the sub-account that you want to copy as a snapshot. Then click on Next. You can select all the assets you want to include, but if I scroll all the way down to the bottom, you'll be able to toggle on WordPress sites. So if you have a WordPress site created, then it will show up in the toggle down menu. All you have to do is toggle it on, and then click on Create in the bottom right corner. This will create your snapshot in just a few moments, where you can then share it to other agencies or load it into a sub-account. If you have created the snapshot and you want to modify the assets inside of it, then click on the three dots on the right hand side, come over to settings, and then click on linked assets. From there, we can toggle off or on the assets we want to include in the snapshot. Then once you click on save in the top right corner, it will save those settings. By bundling your WordPress pages, themes, plugins, and settings into a snapshot, you can deploy full site environments into a new sub-account without rebuilding everything manually. For more information about this or other high-level features, be sure to check out our YouTube channel, blog, and help docs. The link's on the description below.